Hey guys, this is Lucy and I'm here with another video which is how to delete multiple mails in Outlook. So all you need to do is log into your Outlook in any browser. So in order to delete these mails, what we need to do is that click on this square right here with a tick mark on it so that it gets selected, and make sure that you are pressing shift in your keyboard while clicking the downmost mail of the page, and like that you have selected several mails at once. So I can go down here and press the shift key in my keyboard and click on this square. So as you can see, several mails have been selected. All I want to do is click on this icon right here above my Outlook page and below the help option and delete it. So it will ask you if you want to move the selected conversations from focused to deleted items. Just click on OK and you're done. So what else we can do is that just select one of the mails and click on this square icon with a blue square in it next to focused right there, and you can see all of my mails have been selected. And just like that, you can click on this icon again with the bean empty focused, and all of the mails in your focus tab will be deleted. That's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.